How to get Lloyds Bank business account. Now, first to be able to get here, just simply access or open up any preferred web browser you want. Well, in this video, I'm gonna be using Chrome, and then just head directly to the Lloyds Bank official site. Now, if you are having problems or having troubles on getting directly to these fields right here that says business bank accounts, on your search bar, just simply type in Lloyds Bank business account. Now you should be able to see multiple options, but you just have to choose on the very first link, which will take you or immediately take you out to the business bank account field. Now in here, just simply pull up this icon that says open an account, and then before digging into these options right here, make sure that you have your business documents prepared. Now you just have to complete these on-screen prompts and then choose on the specific or the correct option in which you would like to be opening it. If it's going to be for a limited company, a sole trader, a partnership. Now, if you're the only owner of the business and you're self-employed, then you just choose on sole trader. And here, again, just click on necessary options, which prefers on your end, and then you should be completing it without any problems. And that's how you do it. That's how you open up a Lloyds Bank business account.